So guys, as I told you, she has a fracture. So I'm gonna show you where she has a fracture now. So actually she's sitting in an opposite direction, so it's taking me a little difficult. I'll show you afterwards when I get time, because she's sitting opposite on a chair or else she'll fall down. So my story was still here, but this is not a fake story which I have made. This is based on a real story. So as you can see, this is my garden. I'll show you some plants. This tree contains flower. Also, I have a coriander plant in my garden. There. And I have